Hello, dear learners. Welcome to our channel, English Hub. Today, we are here with a topic noun. What is noun? And how to identify noun? What are the different kinds of noun? So, let me tell you what is exactly noun. A noun is a name of a person, place, or thing. For example, Alice has a car but has a driving license from London. Different types of nouns. First one is the proper noun, then common noun, collective noun, material noun, abstract noun, concrete noun. So there are altogether 6 different types of noun. Now let us see what are these. Proper noun is a specific name for a particular person, place, or thing. For example, Alice, London, and if I say a car as Toyota car, then these are the example of proper noun. The second one is a common noun. The general name for a person, place, thing, or idea is termed as the common noun. For example, boy, state, car, these all are termed as the common noun. Next one is material noun. A noun that denotes the matter or substance of which things are made. For example, gold, silver, wood, cotton, plastic. Next one is collective noun. A noun that denotes a group of individual or thing that is termed as common noun. For example, team, flock, pride, bunch, audience. These are the different examples of collective noun. Next is abstract noun. Abstract noun represents an idea, quality, quality, or state. For example, freedom, bravery, knowledge, wisdom. These are the different examples of abstract noun. And the last one is concrete noun. A noun that can be identified through one of the 5 senses. Through one of the 5 senses. Remember 5 senses. They are termed as concrete noun. For example, apple, dog, music, perfume. So here there are the 5 different senses, means your senses, which are from your sight to your touch to taste, hearing, and smelling. So when a noun that can be identified through one of the 5 senses, that is termed as concrete noun. Here are a few more examples of noun. Now let us see some rules of noun. Rule number 1. Noun can be singular or plural. A noun can be singular or plural. Singular nouns are like book, boy, girl, apple. Plural can be table, tables, books, boys, girls, apples. Apart from these, we have irregular plurals like child, children, mouse, mice, man, men, goose, geese. Rule number 2. Some nouns are always plural like scissors, trousers, spectacles. If we require 2, then we say it as give me 2 pair of scissors. Rule number 3. Some uncountable noun don't take a or an. A milk and advice, both wrong. We can say some milk, a piece of advice. Rule number 4. Proper noun begins with a capital letter. For example, Delhi, D capital, Monday, M capital, Google, Yahoo, Sanjeev, John, Gina, Ria, Priya, Russia, Alina, Jay, Jacob. Rule 5. Collective nouns are usually singular in form but can be plural depending on context. For example, the team is playing well. Team is one unit. The team was wearing different jersey. Individual in the team. Rule 6. Abstract noun cannot be seen or touched, like anger, happiness, truth, gloom, sad. These ideas or emotions are not physical objects. Rule 7. Material nouns are always singular and uncountable. For example, wood, iron, sugar. Iron is useful metal. Iron are. Irons are means clothes iron, not metal.
Practice questions.
Here are few MCQs. Just pause the video, solve them, and resume the video and check your answers. Good luck.
Fill in the blanks.
Just pause, solve, and check your answers.
Identify the type of noun.
Good luck.
Error correction. Find the errors.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Hub.